In my previous videos, a lot of you guys have had so many complaints. As you can see here, I've seen a lot of comments about this particular type of thing. It says here, this person is saying what people need is linking and verifying, not all these creating videos every week. And this other person says here, linking and withdrawing is where the problem is, not only creating. Now, I want you to know that I've been talking about PayPal for the longest time, right? So if you check my videos on this channel for over 3 years, 4 years, I've been talking about PayPal. So that means I know exactly what I'm talking about. And if I'm able to show you videos on how to create, how to link, and how to do different things, that means these things are something that I tried and it worked for me, right? So one thing enough to understand again is that I am not one of those creators that show you screenshots. Whatever thing I'm showing you are things that comes directly from my laptop. I refresh this thing, I show you directly from my laptop, not screenshots, not slides, nothing, just directly from my laptop. So that's one thing that makes me very different from some of all these other creators, right? So that means I try out things myself and it works, and I bring it here, I show you guys. So this other person says, how do I link bank to account that is permanently limited? So in today's video, not wasting your time, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you these things firsthand. I want you to also know something, that if you're trying to link your account to PayPal and it doesn't work, it's not the end of the world, right? You have to just follow some procedures. I've made videos about it telling you guys that you need to wait and try it again, and then you can also reach out to PayPal support. I've showed you different ways you can go ahead to resolve that. One thing you have to know, it doesn't work like magic. Even till today, I still have PayPal accounts with money that I have not been able to link bank accounts to. Now, not that I don't have bank accounts to link them to, but maybe because I have linked some account to the maximum amount of PayPal I'm supposed to link it to, or one thing or the other. But I'm trying to solve all those things, and I still have PayPal accounts that I have bank accounts linked to. So what are you going to do in those scenarios? You have to just follow procedures, and once you don't know, you ask questions, right? You don't just like ask rudely, you ask politely. But I'm not saying any of you ask your questions rudely, but just that, some of you, I think you're already getting nervous, and that's why you're asking that way. But don't worry, in today's video we're going to look how to link bank accounts to PayPal. So let me just quickly log in my PayPal now, and I'm going to show you different things. So the first thing you need to know is that for you to link bank account to PayPal, first you need to have your bank account ready, right? So platforms like this Grail.co, and another one is this Resonant. This used to be called GigPay, but I think they changed their name. So platforms like this gives you US account, or all those accounts, your US pounds, euros account for free, and you just pay some fees when you are going to be receiving funds, right? So you need a US account or a pounds account. You can also do this with your Payoneer, right? You can do this with your Payoneer, or you can also do this with your Wise, right? Let me try to see if I can log in my Wise as well. So you can also get accounts from your Wise. In fact, anywhere possible you can get your US bank account or pounds account or euros account from. Great, perfectly. So now that you have this account and your PayPal is here, so what do? You are going to try to link it. Now, in trying to link it, sometimes you might not be able to link it, right? That is not the end of the world. That is what I'm saying. I think I need some code here to be able to log in. Oh my god. Okay, I think that code just arrived. Let me quickly just log in now and then continue. Yeah, so I'm in, right? So this is the Grail account I talked about. So right here on this account, it's pretty much very simple. All you just need to do is to enter your is to request for the account, and they are going to give it to you. So this is a great account. I have used this account over so many years. I mean, I recently started using some other platform, but I've used these things from, I think, since 2021 or 2020 thereabout. I've been using it. The last transaction I have on this account, I think, is 2023, as you can see. So but it still works, right? It's not as though that it doesn't work. It's just that I've been using some other platform and I have my reasons. But that doesn't mean this platform doesn't work. Okay, it works perfectly, and if I still want to use it, I can go ahead to use it. The reason why I'm not using it currently is that I have some other accounts linked to some of my PayPal, so I don't want to link this one yet. But anything that will make me want to link another PayPal, another account to another PayPal, I'm going to use this Grail, right? So but it works, and if I click on USD, you're going to see my USD details. Look at the details, and everything is self-explanatory. This is the account number, routing number, account type, wire, bank name. If you want to see the bank name, just click here. You're going to see it's lead bank, and you see the address, right? And this is the fees associated with the account. So it's very, very self-explanatory. I've been using this platform for years, since 2020, if I'm not mistaken, and it works perfectly. So you can actually link this to your PayPal. You have everything you need right here. Okay, everything you need to link this to your PayPal is right here. Now, how can you even link it to your PayPal? When you get to your PayPal now, you get to pay and get paid. You're going to see this banks and card. Just click on it, and it's going to take you direct to where you can add your bank account. Okay, you can add your bank account to this PayPal. You can also add the card. In my own case, I just added the card here because this PayPal, I'm using it specifically for payment, right? And then I have some other ones for different purposes. So right now, all we just need to do is to enter those information from our grill onto this place. Now, in most cases, this works automatically. You don't need to stress, right? But in some cases, when you even input accurate details, for instance, I can copy this account number right now and come over here to PayPal and paste the account number, right? And come over to routing number, come to grill, copy the routing number. Where is it? This is it. This is the routing number. I copy this and come over here and paste the routing number. So it's going to automatically detect this is lead bank. Now, in some cases, when you click on link your bank, I don't want to do it because I don't want to link back to this account, and this paper is for support, is for some certain things. Okay, but when you click here, you're going to see it's going to link automatically, or in some cases you're going to see it's going to tell you this bank cannot be linked, or you need help linking this bank there and there. Sometimes what you need to do is to just wait a certain time, just leave it and try again. Let's say like 1 week and try it again. If you actually repeat same thing, you can leave it again and try again, or you try other banks like this one, GigPay. This is the one I currently use so much. Okay, I currently use this, including the card. I use the card of this one to make payment. Okay, and they give you Wells Fargo. They don't give you lead bank. Lead bank is good as well. Wells Fargo is even much popular, I think. So this one you can also receive crypto, USDT with it, and you can also like different things. Okay, and you can see the bank details here, Wells Fargo Bank. So you can link this to your PayPal, and this actually works perfectly. So now, in most cases where you have done all of these things and you are unable to still link it to your PayPal, I have told you, after you've tried different banks, you can also try the one from Wise. You can also try the one from Payoneer if you feel like. Now, after you've done all this and no one works for you, you have to calm down, try it again later. If it doesn't work for you, then you need to contact the support. Now, why you should contact the support is because now they are going to suggest a few things to you. Now, there's a way to actually tell them about it. You don't just go tell them, I've been trying to link my bank, it doesn't work, and they might not be able to help you, or you can actually just cause problem for yourself that will make your PayPal account to go bad again. But you need to just construct some statements, something like, here's my bank details. I have tried to link it. It says it needs help linking. Can you help me? Simple stuff like that. You've already provided them the bank details. You've told them what the problem is. You're asking them for solution. Simple. Now, there's no need to explain further and further. Just simple thing like this can actually help you. Now, in some cases, if you actually followed the video I made here about, I think this is the video on how you can actually create a PayPal business account, where some of you are telling me it's not about creating, it's about linking and the likes. You see that this PayPal account I created here requires an IBAN. Sometimes you don't even need to link your US. You need to link some other bank account. Like, it requires some IBAN, and US account doesn't come with IBAN, right? So you have to get like a pounds or euros account. Now, if you come over to this pounds or British account, you're going to see it has IBAN. Look at it. This is all you just need to link it. According to that video I told you on how to create PayPal, this is only thing. I thought somebody asked me the question, how am I going to get a bank account that has IBAN on it? This is how you get it. Go create a Grill account and sign up and get your details. Now, if you come to this GigPay or Risk Resonant account, right, they also have the same thing. They also have a Great Britain account, but in my case, I just applied recently. Like, I have not been using this thing. As you can see here, it says it's still telling me your pounds account request will be reviewed within 2 days or 3 days, and we'll let you know soon. And I know that they will eventually like give me the bank account because I submitted the accurate details I need to submit, right? And it's not as though I've not received pounds from this account. Like if you look at this section here, you see that I've actually received more than 500 pounds into the account. So it's not as though it's something new. No, I show you these things from my dashboard, and I can refresh and show you. It's not a screenshot. It's not. I don't fabricate things that I've not done. I don't talk about them. Things that I've done, I'll tell you. Things I've not done and I'm not sure, I'll tell you. This actually works, but me myself, I have not tried it. And even if I've not tried it, I don't even talk about it on the platform. So some of you or most of you should know that whatever thing I bring here, I show you these things from my screen, for crying out loud. I record from my laptop directly. It's not as though I'm showing you screenshot or trying to make up videos to get views and the likes. No, this is real. This is raw. I don't even edit my videos. I push this thing raw the way it has to be. You understand? So check out my other videos about PayPal. If you're still confused, I've made dozens of videos about PayPal on how you can link different banks, what you should do, different problems, how I got more than 20 PayPal, how I got more than 100 PayPal that have been terminated, what I'm doing to make sure my PayPal is not terminated again. Different things. I've talked about PayPal so much on the channel, and I will keep talking about it. So make sure to check it out. And if in this video I did not answer your problem, tell me in the comments. I'll be there, so I can make another video like this to try as much as possible to answer you. Coming this 2026, we almost start making money. So get everything ready to start making money. You know that you cannot actually dodge PayPal. You can actually dodge it. I mean, some platform you might receive payment without PayPal, but let's not lie, man. You still need PayPal accounts. Anyhow you want to look at it. Myself, I don't receive payment only on PayPal, but I still have PayPal. Even some other people that will tell you do this, they still have PayPal. So anyhow you want to do it, you still need PayPal. So you're going to also experience problems with it. That is why channels like us exist, because we are going to tell you things that we're going to help you with so many solutions. And if our solutions are not working for you, we also will provide solutions that will still work for you very soon. So make sure you're following, subscribe, like the video, turn on the bell notification so that you won't miss any video once I drop them. I'll see you on my next video. Take care of yourself.